Hey guys, today we have the top 5 Nissan Skyline R32s. At number 1 is this 1994 Skyline R32 HKS0R, only 10 in the world. The car comes with a custom 0R body kit and wheels. The interior is also dressed up with 0R badged goodies. Originally with a production run of 10, only 4 remain in the world, making this one of the rarest Skylines you can find. The original RB27 engine was swapped out for an RB26 with 600 brake horsepower. At number 2 is this big turbo 1992 R32 Skyline GTS. It's fitted with an RB25 engine, putting out just over 500 bhp using a GTX Gen 2 3071 turbo. This car has front and rear GTR fenders, DMAX vented bonnet, 3-piece Work Meisters, 18 by 10.5 all round. At number 3 is this Nissan Skyline GTT R32 Pandem by ALC Motorsports. The main features of this car are the Pandem Body kit with custom front fenders, custom side skirts and an F1 carbon rear spoiler. It has a GTR RB26 engine and all-wheel drive system. At number 4 is this Nissan Skyline R32 GTR widebody BR RB26. The car comes with the BR kit from Japan, which includes the BR side skirts, BR rear wide fenders, BR rear bumper, also Yannick GT front fenders, HKS GT 2530 twin turbos, CST01 coilovers and Nismo rear diff. At number 5, this 1990 black Nissan Skyline R32 GTR. The car features 732 black paint with Ray's Volk TE37 SLs. The engine is equipped with a set of HKS GT 2530 turbos, truss extended front pipes, Gredi 264 cams and Tommy exhaust, finished with a Haltech Platinum Pro ECU. Thanks for watching this video. For more Fast 5 content, please click subscribe and hit the bell button.